So how are you, my traders viewers? Hope you all are fine. Today we are here in my another vlog where I'll tell you about 8 free online courses which are available for free, which are available free for 2 or 3 days. And don't forget, this core talent is what God gives us, and skill what is uh, we give back to Him. So basically, learn those skills and give back to the God's people. And teach them, so and earn your money. And this is our first course for today. My name is Hazran, and this course is based on data science. If you want to become a data scientist, then this course is for you. You can learn about pandas, numpy, plotty, TextBlog, these type of all the tools which will help you and make you a good data scientist. Basically, data scientists analyze the data, and then after analyzing they will give you the result and prediction. For example, you can predict the success of Zomato restaurant using machine learning. You will learn machine learning, whether you can analyze the data, previous data of 2 and 3 years, and just to tell about where the Zomato stand in next 2 or 3 years, the how many money Zomato earned in next 2 or 3 years just by analyzing previous data. So this is the benefit of a data scientist. You can also predict weather by analyzing the previous data. So this course is quite good for you guys. 11 hour long course. You can, and they will give you a certificate as well. Quite persuasive and exciting course for you guys. Learn from this. Second course, so yes, this course is very much in demand course, and I think you guys should do this course, because this type of course help you to do how to outsource your business. Because if you have some sort of skill, and if you have a lot of workload on you, then you can outsource your work on to third party, for example on Fiverr or Upwork. So this they will in this course you will learn how to make a website on WordPress, and they will teach you, the teacher will teach you how to set payment method, and how to set domain easily, how to set dashboard on WordPress, and they will teach you all these things. And you will after learning from this course, you will easily outsource your projects and get profit. After that, you will the Fiverr guy will do the work for you, and you will get profit after that. And great course for entrepreneurs and businessmen. Our third course is for those people want to know about uh, applications, different Android application. You guys will learn how to make application using Neo 4, and this course is uh, very exciting as well. Exciting for app developers, not for us. So basically, good for them, not for us. So you can also set database, how to you learn guys, learn data, how to set databases, search engines, in Android application, how to do marketing of your Android application after making this. So this is a very 5 hour long course and free for today. The next course is for those people who want to learn more about cooking. Now I am wrapping this up because I am in a hurry as well. So this course is for those people who want to learn about make delicious cookies or delicious recipes. So this course is for those basically girls want to learn this type of course. They are very much fond of cooking, so this course is for them. Very much great course, a short course but good for them. They will this girl will teach you 5 tasty recipes. Next course is for those people who want to know about web development and app development. C programming language is used for both. So go enroll in this course. Is free for today. I have chosen these type of 8 courses for you guys today, which are which are free for 3 or 4 days. So share our video with your friends and family members, so they can also uh, get benefit of these free courses. These courses will be $90 to $100 after 3 or 4 days. So learn from here. This course is also for web development. So today I have a lot of courses for web developers or web development. So in next vlog I will go for more. I will tell you about more courses which are on architecture or graphic designing. So this course is for those students or professionals who want to learn about how to set a thumb slider animation, with the help of JSQL, because in basically the benefit of jQuery and JavaScript is that they will give you a pre-built library. So the library come up with already composed code that simplify the coding process. So quite uh, benefit for you guys. A bit easy. And then set thumb slider very easily with the help of jQuery. Next course is for those people who want to lose their weight, who are too much fat. So this course is for those people who want to lose their weight, reboot your metabolism, discover how to adopt a certain type of diet, and they will teach you how which type of diet will help you to lose your weight. Student will experience like psychological inter-resistant to your lifestyle change. 1 hour long course, and this course is not for those people who are already slim. So avoid this course, don't enroll in this course if you are slim. I will not recommend you this course. So only fat people can do this course. So go enroll in this course. 2 days hardcore long, 2 days left at free price. So thank you for today. I hope that you guys have found this video tutorial useful.